Today I'm going to show you how to build 6 kVA fuelless generator without any mistake. Just watch the video from beginning to the end and click on the subscribe button to my channel, so anytime I upload any fuelless generator video you can watch it fast. Yeah. This is 24 volt DC motor. This DC motor is 24 volt DC motor, and this is the coil. The coil is 6 kVA coil. This coil is 6 kVA coil. Yeah. And this is the RPM, the speed. Yeah, the RPM speed. The RPM is 3,500 RPM in the DC motor. Yeah. And the coil speed and the coil RPM is 3,500 RPM in a 6 kVA coil. Yeah. And this is the battery. The battery I use here is 200 amps. 200 amps battery. Yes. And this is the charger. This charger, although when you want to build your own fuelless generator, you go need the charger, the big charger that can charge 200 amps battery fast, very fast, not to be slow. Because when the DC motor consume a lot of energy from this 200 amps battery without charging back fast, the battery will shut down. Yeah, the battery will shut down. So you have to find the charger that can charge at least 200 amps battery. 200 amps battery. So you need the charger that can charge fast, and the charger has positive and the negative. Normally when you plug the charger to the coil, no, start from here, from the DC motor to the battery, from the battery to the charger, from the charger like this, output to the coil, plug the charger to the coil, then from the coil like this, come to the charger, from the charger to the battery, from the battery to the DC motor. It's running like this, running, and this is the output. This is the output. Usually one, you can bring it direct to the, you can put it direct to your change over. When you have this fuelless generator, you don't need anything light again. Then you are not going to pay any NEPA bill. No, you're not going to pay any NEPA bill. You're not going to pay for prepaid meter. No, because all you need to do is to just perfect build your own fuelless generator completely. Yes, I'm not going to. Yeah. From the DC motor to the battery, from battery to the charger, then from the coil like this to the charger, from charger to the battery, from battery to the DC motor. And don't forget about how to connect the DC motor and the coil together, because some people have did a lot of mistake about welding the DC motor and the coil together. So all you have to need here is have to find a correct welder that can build the code for you to connect the two together without any mistake. Have to find the welder that can build something normal for you. Yeah, just need some welder that can build something normal for you for your fuelless generator, because when you don't weld this code together well, this code will break when the fuelless generator is working. This is the shaft. This is the shaft. At least it's down like this. Yes. This is the complete fuelless generator. When you build your own 6 kVA fuelless generator like this, I promise you it will work for you. 100% sure working. Yeah. This DC motor, I should come again. This DC motor is 24 volts for 6 kVA coil. Don't mistake of this. DC motor is 24 volts for 6 kVA coil, and make sure the RPM. If you want correct voltage light, the RPM would be the same, 3,500, and the coil is 3,500. If the coil is 2,000 RPM, you have to use 2,000 RPM DC motor or 2,500 RPM DC motor. Yeah. Just, it's a very easy thing. You can't mistake in what I draw here. It's very easy thing to catch up with. Just go to anywhere they are selling battery, ask for charger, they will put it through the way you are going to see the charger by, because this is a car charger. A mistake. This charger is car charger, because this is a car charger. This car battery charger. They are selling it in, maybe if you go to Alaba International in Lagos, you will see this charger by. I show you, so this is not a problem. Don't forget to click on subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to upload more video about this fuelless generator. Yeah, just press that.